the Bahujan Samaj Party and supporters of the murdered Armstrong, they are doing a road roko in front of the Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital here. You can see hundreds of them, hundreds of supporters of Bahujan Samaj Party. They are involving in a road roko and the police are trying to disperse them, but they are refusing to go. They are sitting on the roads and they are refusing to leave this location. Their demand is that the Chief Minister should take accountability for the worsening law and order situation in the state. The state government should take responsibility for the murder of their leader Armstrong, and they are demanding that the inquiry into this matter should be handed over to the CBI, and the state police should not investigate this matter as they don't have any trust and faith in the state police is what they are telling. A huge ruckus is breaking out here in Chennai. You can see the visuals. People are lying down on the roads. Supporters of Mr. Armstrong, they are lying down on the roads. They are sitting on the roads, almost 200 to 300 of them. They are refusing to leave this spot. They are staging a road roko in Chennai's main road, demanding justice for Armstrong. Remember, Armstrong was murdered by a 6-member gang yesterday around 6 p.m. in Chennai's Perambur area. He was standing in front of his house and he was chatting casually with his friends and supporters when a 6-member gang arrived in 3 two-wheelers and they hacked him to death. They attacked Armstrong with sharp weapons, and before he was rushed to a private hospital nearby, Armstrong was declared dead. Right now his body is in Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital for autopsy. The autopsy is currently underway. After the autopsy, the body will be sent to his house in Perambur. But before the postmortem is to get over, now we are looking at the supporters of Armstrong, hundreds of them lying on roads, and sitting on roads, and they are refusing to vacate the spot. The police are trying to arrive at a compromise, with them. The police are trying to disperse them, but there is no hope. There seems to be no hope, at least for the moment. In fact, the police tried to stop them from, leaving the hospital premise and from entering the road, but they jumped across the walls of the hospitals and they are now in the road, the main road in front of the Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital. This is also where the central railway station in Chennai is located. So this is a very prominent area for transportation purposes, and here they have completely blocked the road. Many of them sitting and some of them even lying on the road, and they are refusing to leave the spot, demanding justice for Armstrong. And as I told, they are demanding two things mainly. One is the accountability from Chief Minister M.K. Stalin and his police department, and the second is the case to be transferred to CBI for further inquiry, as they don't have any trust or faith in the state police department. So far the police have arrested 8 people in connection with this incident. In fact, all 8 of them they surrendered themselves in front of the police yesterday around midnight in front of the Anna Nagar police. Right now all the 8 of them who are arrested, they are in custody, and preliminary investigations are currently underway. The preliminary investigations reveal a revenge murder plot. Last year in Chennai in 2023, in the month of August, a history sheeter named Arkat Suresh was murdered by a gang, and now one of the 8 accused in this case, in this Armstrong case, is the brother of Arkat Suresh. His name is Arkat Bala. So naturally the police are establishing a revenge murder plot here, and that is where the preliminary investigation is heading towards. But of course the police are trying hard to vacate the protesters from the road, because it is causing a huge congestion of traffic over here. Commuters are facing inconvenience, but the protesters are refusing to leave the spot. They are sitting, almost 200 to 300 of them. They are sitting on the road in front of Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital, and they are continuously sloganeering against the state government, against the Stalin Sarkar for the misgovernance and the misadministration, for the worsening law and order situation in the state.
Right, but Dharni, looking at the current situation, suddenly we are looking at multiple leaders that are coming in and Karyakartas and supporters of the BSP. There is anger over when it comes to the BSP Tamil Nadu chief's death. As you can see, the anger that is now spilling out on the streets, the police trying to control the situation. But Dharni, we are also looking at the first statement that is coming in from the Chief Minister.
Yes, half an hour back, Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has, had reacted to the death of Mr. Armstrong. In his tweet, Chief Minister M.K. Stalin had told that it is very unfortunate that this incident had taken place, but the police were able to arrest the accused within one night. The police arrested those involved in this crime, murder, overnight. night. I would like to convey my deepest condolences to
all right, please to
all
stay on with us, Dharni. Mr. Saravanan is with us. Sir, are you looking at those pictures of protests, sir, outside the Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital? The people there, the BSP is raising questions on the law and order.
See, our leader, Mr. M.K. Stalin, has expressed his shock and regret over the death of Mr. Armstrong, and the culprits have been nabbed immediately. And the Chief Minister has also assured that prompt action and all the persons who are accused will be dealt and the victims will get justice.
So over this incident that has been reported, both the AIA, DMK and BJP is also raising questions as far as saying that it is not enough being done, and in particular Chennai, crimes are on the high.
See, this is the usual statement of the template statements of the BJP and the ADMK. Whenever something like this happens, they bring up this bogey of law and order. Immediately the culprits were nabbed. None of them escaped. All of them are behind bars now. Not even a day had gone. This is how swift action has been taken. This clearly indicates how the law and order situation is maintained by the government.
But the brazenness of this attack that has been reported right near his residence, and there were other people who were also there present, in such kind of an incident that has been reported, has shocked everyone, sir.
See, absolutely. We have to probe the angle of these murders, why these murders have happened, whether there was any previous enmity between these people, how was it planned, why was it planned. All those things have to be probed, and we will get to know about these details only after a thorough investigation.
All right, Mr. Saravanan, thank you very much for your point of view. That's the DMK reaction saying that the culprits in the case have been nabbed hours after this incident that was reported. The Chief Minister has given the direction to the police. However, we are looking at the BSP supporters and Karyakartas. Dharni is with us right now because, Dharni, this is taking place right outside the hospital. When will the autopsy also happen, Dharni?
The autopsy is currently underway. We are expecting the autopsy to be over in another 1 hour, and then by today afternoon, Armstrong's body will be taken to his house in Perambur area of Chennai. But before that, hundreds of supporters belonging to the Bahujan Samaj Party and also, the supporters of Mr. Armstrong personally, they have started gathering in the Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital, and these are the supporters we are looking at in our visuals. Almost 300 of them are sitting on the road, right in front of the Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital and continuously sloganeering against the government. The police are trying to arrive at a compromise. The police are holding talks with representatives of the protesters, but nothing seems to be working out at the moment. In fact, the police have started bringing in additional force and barricades to make sure the situation doesn't escalate any further. Additional Commissioner for North Zone, Ashra Garg, he's also going to visit this location as soon as possible. He was present in the hospital yesterday night where he met the president. He told that the preliminary investigation is currently under
by these opponents, but the police they are not at all taking any action. So it leads now the one state president level murder has happened.
Armstrong, state president கொல்லப்பட்டிருக்காரு.
தமிழ்நாட்டில் சட்டம் ஒழுங்கு மிகவும் சீர்கெட்டிருக்கிறது தான் நாம் இங்க பார்க்கிறோம்.
Well, those were the scenes outside the Rajiv Gandhi General Hospital in Chennai, where supporters of the murdered BSP State Chief Armstrong are staging a road roko protest to condemn the DMK government and the police. They have been demanding a CBI probe and also alleging that Dalits are not safe in the state.